Hi Charlene.
Hi Maurice.
Welcome to Cicada.
Thank you so much. So good to see you.
Good to see you too.
I'm seeing so much progress from the last time I was here. Being on 12th floor, there's a lot of works going with the walling. Could you kindly just take me through what's happening?
Yes, I'll take it through what's happening. Our walling is currently ongoing on 12th floor, both in A and in B. It's at 87%.
Nice.
Our plastering is currently on 7th floor,
Okay.
both in A and in B, and it's on 25% done.
Good.
Since in A is complete and done,
Okay.
we are currently working on B on 15th floor.
Okay.
Still fixing for the columns to the roof slab.
All right.
Has been done 100% for the columns. Casting of the columns, the roof slab has also been done 100%. Formwork for the roof slab has been done 100% too.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Still fixing, it's currently ongoing. 85%. We're planning on casting the roof slab next week.
All right.
Yeah,
That being the final slab.
being the final slab.
Oh, nice, nice.
The lid shaft walls, we've done it 100%.
Everything.
Everything.
Oh, that's lovely. Thank you so much for having us, Maurice. It's been amazing just to see the progress. So much has happened, and yeah, good job.